Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by blocking proportions with a stick figure. Do it now. Draw a circle for the head, a line for the spine, and simple limb lines to capture movement. Use head units. Most adults fit about 7-8 heads tall, so mark those divisions lightly to guide torso and leg length. Once done, refine the ribcage and pelvis as simple ovals to establish volume. Make sure to keep lines loose. This preserves energy and prevents overworking early. Next, translate the stick figure into volumes by adding ovals and cylinders. This shows how limbs occupy space and how garments will sit. Place small circles at joints to control rotation and test the range of motion visually, which helps avoid stiff limbs. Then connect those shapes with smoother contours, considering where mass bulges or tucks. Once done, indicate simple facial landmarks and hair flow so the head reads in the pose. Make sure to finish, decide on your final line quality. Use confident strokes and vary weight to suggest form and light. Carefully erase construction lines without flattening the drawing. Once done, add hands, feet, facial detail, and simple shading to anchor the figure in space. If something still feels wrong, compare proportions to your head unit marks and tweak torso or leg lengths accordingly. This is the fastest fix. Make sure to preserve gesture. Overcorrecting can make the pose lifeless.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.